So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company's called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world. This is the Rideshare Hub. We are dedicated to providing you the latest and most breaking news. And right now, Lyft just threatened to suspend operations in California. Lyft said that they're gonna end operations. So Uber first said we're donezo, we're shutting down in California. And now Lyft is like, hey, we're gonna shut down too, bro. Don't forget about us. I know we're the little pink mustache dudes, but hey, we still got a stake in this too. So yeah, Lyft, so now it's Uber and Lyft shutting down in California. That's gonna be nuts. Imagine just not being able to go anywhere. I mean, you know how many people in California, in San Francisco, in LA, don't have a car because they use Uber and Lyft to get around town? They're gonna have to take the bus. So, this is on CNBC. I did want to share this article with you guys because I do think it's very pertinent. Yes, I went to UC Berkeley. I'm a UC Berkeley graduate. Well, I'm not a graduate student, but I graduated. And I learned big words like pertinent. No, I'm just kidding. It was a pretty fun school though. A lot of fun frat parties there, bro. A lot of fun day parties. Apparently they are still partying like crazy even though the lockdown and everything. My friend's like, yeah, I go to parties every day. What are you talking about? I'm like, oh, okay. Shout out to you, Leah, whatever your name is. Lyft may suspend service in California if court requires it to classify drivers as employees. I might be going to Berkeley soon, guys. Hit me up if you're from the Bay Area if you want to meet up. Well, maybe we shouldn't meet up. We'll do a Zoom call. I guess it doesn't matter where I'm gonna be then, anyways. Lyft may suspend services in California if the state does not overturn a recent ruling requiring it to classify its drivers as full-time employees. Lyft co-founder and president John Zimmer said on the company's second quarter earnings call. Uber made a similar announcement earlier Wednesday. So this guy right here is the CEO. Look at that. Look at that fella right there. He's got a nice smile. This guy too got a nice smile as well. John Zimmer and Logan Green. Hit me up if you want to do a collab. Maybe I can shout you guys out on my YouTube channel. Hey everybody, go. Imagine Lyft paying me for a shout out. Hey guys, want to sign up for Lyft? Yeah, anyways. Lyft may suspend services in California if the state does not overturn a recent ruling requiring it to classify its drivers as full-time employees. Lyft co-founder and president John Zimmer said on the company's, I just read that. Shares of Lyft were as high as 6% after hours, but went negative when Zimmer said Lyft might suspend service in the state. Newt nut. Chill. Why is everyone snapping me today? Uber would also likely pause its service in California if the ruling is not overturned. Blah, blah, blah. We don't care about Uber. We already know Uber CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, said in a suspension would likely last until November when voters would decide on the ballot measure Prop 22. Yeah, so they have a Prop 22. Basically, to keep things plain and simple, the California government just made a court ruling, said they have 10 days to make their drivers employees. Both Lyft and Uber said, okay, then we're gonna shut down in California until Prop 22. So they're basically, in my opinion, bluffing. I think they will shut down, but like at the same time, eventually they're gonna have to bring it back. I don't think Prop 22 is gonna be voted on. There's gonna be a lot of A lot of people will say to vote to make drivers employees. If our efforts here are not successful, it would force us to suspend operations. That's what Zimmer said. On a Monday, a California judge granted a preliminary injunction. Bro, I don't even know what that means. I guess Berkeley never taught me right. I don't even know what a preliminary injunction is. Requiring Lyft and Uber to stop classifying their drivers as independent workers after a 10-day period in which the company said they would appeal the ruling. If upheld, the order will require Lyft and Uber to treat its drivers as employees and cover additional expenses like benefits and unemployment insurance. California Attorney General Xavier Becerra sued the companies in May. Can you guys roll your R's like that? Becerra. In May, alongside 3 city attorneys, alleging they violated the state's new law that aims to provide benefits to gig workers. So this Attorney General was like, bro, I'm gonna sue 2 of the biggest companies in California. And the government's like, yeah, we support you, bro. Go out and sue them, brah. I don't know if he's an Uber driver or what, or why he sued them, but maybe he was an Uber driver himself, and he was like, yeah, I don't make enough in the government. I need to go out and do some Uber rides. And he was like, man, I might as well just sue them too. Uber and Lyft have consistently opposed the law and are funding a ballot measure that would exempt them from it if passed. Yeah, if it passed, they're gonna be exempt from the law. Please. I think we should all vote no on that law. I feel like Uber's just trying to like get out of like having to pay drivers like what they deserve. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't talk about that. I guess you guys do want to hear my opinion, right? That's why you're watching me. I probably won't vote to... I don't know. I need to do more research. Uber's Koshihari has recently... Are you guys going to vote on Prop 22 to keep drivers independent contractors or employees? By the way, guys, if drivers have to become employees, it doesn't mean that, oh, you have to go out on a set schedule or you have to only work one app. Literally, there's no other company that makes you only work for one app. I don't know who started. I think Uber and Lyft got that rumor out. If I go get a job at McDonald's, it's not like, oh, you can't work at Jack in the Box. You have to work at McDonald's because Jack in the Box. No, the only thing, if I work at McDonald's, it means I'm entitled to, you know, if you get passed as an employee, it means you're getting overtime pay, paid days off, paid sick leave, paid vacation days, health insurance, health benefits, car expense. You're gonna get a stipend for your car. Like, I want all that stuff. That would be at least minimum wage. Imagine every single time you're going out to drive. You know how many times I've gone out and I had to wait 30 minutes for a ride and got $0, and then I get one ride and make like $4, and I was like, great, I just made $4 in an hour, plus I just put all these miles in my car. That's not gonna happen anymore. Yeah, here we go. In a New York Times op-ed published, Koshihari suggested gig companies could pay into funds that workers have access to based on their hours worked in order to cover health insurance, pay time off, or other costs. Lyft's leadership has not been as actively vocal. Yeah, no duh, because Lyft can't afford that, bro. Uber has like billions of dollars. Anyways, that's the update. Lyft is most likely shutting down in California. I'll just put it that way. Anyways, guys, I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day. Later, guys. Peace.